To recover the Google Play Store on Android, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet and you have a Google account. If the Google Play Store is not visible on your home screen, check your app drawer. If you still cannot find it, go to your device settings and select the Apps option. Look for the Google Play Store in the list of installed apps. If it is listed but you cannot open it, try clearing the cache and data. To do this, select the Google Play Store from the list of apps. Then choose the storage option and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. If the issue persists, try uninstalling updates to the Google Play Store. To do this, select the Google Play Store from the list of apps. Then choose the three-dot menu and select Uninstall Updates. Your device will then revert to the original version of the Google Play Store that came with your device. If you have previously uninstalled the Google Play Store, you will need to reinstall it. You can do this by downloading the Google Play Store APK from the official Google website. Be careful when downloading APKs from unknown sources as they can be malicious. Once you have downloaded the APK, enable the Install from Unknown Sources option in your device settings and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Google Play Store. After recovering the Google Play Store, make sure to update it to the latest version. To do this, open the Google Play Store, select the menu option, and choose My Apps and Games. If an update is available, select the Update option to download and install the latest version of the Google Play Store. By following these steps, you should be able to recover the Google Play Store on your Android device.